Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce by Ijaz Ansari, only ways. Start by melting butter over medium heat and add equal parts flour, stirring to cook the raw taste. Gradually whisk in warm milk to avoid lumps and bring to a gentle simmer until thickened. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for a classic flavor, then remove from heat and use immediately or store chilled. Melt butter in a saucepan and add flour to form a roux, cooking until pale and fragrant. Pour in a little warm milk first, whisking until smooth, then add remaining milk in a slow stream to keep the texture silky. Simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens enough to coat a spoon, tasting to adjust salt and pepper, and finish with a tiny pinch of nutmeg for a classic touch. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading cookbooks in bright kitchens or low light, and it makes recipe research effortless when your hands are messy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for considering this little pick. Now let's get back to the video. For richer results, swap some milk for cream or half and half and stir gently to combine. Turn this basic white sauce into a cheese sauce by melting in grated hard cheese a little at a time until smooth. If reheating leftovers, warm over low heat and whisk in a splash of milk to restore texture, and always taste before serving to adjust seasoning as needed for your dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.